Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Sitting out here in the garden under the madlark tree, and I was showing the house again to somebody, and I picked a bunch of walnuts. So we're just going to sit out here and eat a little bit, and I wanted to do a quick video, let you guys know about something really cool that happened this past weekend. My wife and I have been meaning to go out for like the longest time. There's a vegan Sunday market that happens in Budapest. I think in the winter it's once a month and it's just like one day, but in other times, like in the summertime and stuff, it's I think it's like a 4-day thing. But anyway, I'll show you guys kind of just a very brief glimpse of us walking around and some of the things that we saw, but it's really cool. There's like tons of vegan products to buy, so the usual kind of things like skincare and soap and that kind of stuff. And then they also have a bunch of like vegan eats, of course. There's a vegan pizza place there that I've never tried before, and unfortunately we didn't try it this time, but I'm definitely going to go back and give it a shot. And one of the main things that I was happy about to see was the vegan activist group that I kind of talked to you guys about when we went to the vegan food festival. They were there as well, so I think they're regular attendees there, and they were again doing the Cube of Truth type of activism. So they had some laptops up with some footage encouraging people to go vegan. They were handing out cards, doing the usual kind of rounds of explaining to people what veganism is and why it's beneficial to them. So kudos to them, hats off. I want to give a shout out to Couscous Clan, I think is the name of the channel. I'll put it in the link below, or I'll put the link in the description below. Check them out and give them a subscription. Anybody who's one of the Hungarian viewers, definitely check them out. Their site is in Hungarian, but they have lots of great videos and things about fitness as well. But really just for any of the people in Hungary, like it's a great kind of thing to see that we have our own vegan activists here working hard to spread the good news about veganism to people. So I think that's it. Check out some of the scenes, and be encouraged that things are changing. People are going vegan in record numbers, and there's just a lot to look forward to. I think there's been a lot of bad news in the press lately, especially about like the environment and climate change and everything like that. But I think one of the main things we can do is as individuals, like change our lifestyle and adopt a whole food plant-based diet, and it's going to be the best thing you can do for your health, for the planet, for the animals, of course. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, and see you guys in the next one. Here's the scenes from the Vegan Sunday Market. And if you've stuck around this long to the end, I just want to show you guys I'm washing down all those walnuts with some fresh raspberries from the garden. Kind of can't believe it. It's like mid-October and I'm eating raspberries from our own garden. Crazy. Anyway, see you guys. Bye.